More noise harassment. This is the third time. It's 9:38 now. Looks like I won't be able to get the doggone nap to take. So this is more proven record of the freaking noise harassment. Why all you need to do is have your sirens just for a few seconds and then turn it off. Ain't no emergency, bastards. The first one sounded like a real emergency, but this is the third recording that they just freaking using noise harassment now. You know, especially when I'm trying to rest some more before it's time to actually leave. But I think I hear some more. Just playing games. See, once they get near me, that's when they get real quiet, like as if they turn them off instantly. Because if it was really going on, a real emergency, you would really hear it far down the street. But once they get by me, boom, they stop.